Hi, welcome to Operations Management course. Thank you for taking my online Operations Management course, and I hope all of you to enjoy this class and learn valuable knowledge for business operations. My name is James Rowe. I'm your instructor for this course. I enjoy interacting with the students, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can take advantage of online office hours, which will be beneficial to all the students. Today, I will cover the first topic of the course, Chapter 1, Introduction to Operations Management. In this chapter and in this lecture, we'll learn why operations management is critical in business. First, the essence of operations management, and then the criticality of operations management, and lastly, the pillars of operations management. First, the essence of operations management. In other words, what is operations management? Operations management can be defined as the set of activities that create value in the form of goods and services by transforming inputs into outputs. What are the activities? The activities could be production activities or service activities too. So all activities can be included in this definition. And how should we evaluate these activities? How should we know that these activities are creating values for business? We need to define the outcomes of these activities. For this purpose, we need to have evaluation measures. In other words, productivity. Or it could be other measures such as profit or revenue or popularity. What are the better activities? It depends on the philosophy of the company. One company might regard profit as the main measure of the value, but another company might value brand image or quality of the products more important than just revenue. So it depends on the philosophy of the company. So let us take a look at operations management from value creation perspective. Operations management can be called as process. What kind of process is it? It's a process to create output out of many activities. And this process is surrounded by environment. It could be work environment or political environment or cultural environment. Many policies might be going into this process. Also, this process will have many inputs. Inputs can take various formats, including raw materials, equipment, operations methods, and labor. These inputs go through operational process and come out as tangible and intangible outcomes, such as products or services. It could be a car as an output, or a business strategy, or on education. What matters is that the output of this process will create value for customers, whether it be communication in the case of cell phone, or new knowledge, or skill set in education. This process is called a black box because it transforms all the inputs into valuable outcomes. Each company has a different operations management with unique features and styles. Think of the difference between Tesla and Toyota. They have unique operation systems, philosophies, and systems. How do we measure that one system or one operation is better than the others? Usually, companies look at it from productive perspective. For example, companies might count the number of cars that a plant produces per day. Or some companies might look at the number of defectives while producing the cars. Some other people might see from financial point of view how much money did a company spend to manufacture a car. profit margin, operational cost, or the revenue could serve as a measure of output. One might argue that the stock price is the culmination of the output, as it may incorporate all the aspects of a business. But by and large, we can say output is something that is valuable for customers. When an operation creates value for customers, it's a good product or good output. So now let's go back to the essence of operations management. What is operations management? Again, it is a set of activities that create value in the form of goods and services by transforming inputs into outputs. I would like to emphasize that operations management can be understood as the process of putting all the inputs and transforming them into goods and services. What is important is value. What kind of value do you create for customers? That's what matters the most. And the better the operations management it is, the more values it will create for the business, stakeholders, and customers. So that's the first point of Introduction to Operations Management, the essence of operations management. Thank you.